there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and set up and use Buy Me a Coffee. Well, this is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So all you need to do in order to sign up and profile setup is head into any browser that you prefer using and head into buymecoffee.com. Just like that. And as you can see, you're going to be right over here. Now simply go ahead and click on sign up and then simply go ahead and add your account. So let me just go ahead and create one right away. And now simply go ahead and continue with any of your accounts if you want to, or you could also just create a completely new one. So I'm just going to go ahead and continue with one of my Gmail accounts to create this account. Now, as you can see, all you need to do is enter your name, write about, and then give the website link or so on. So let me just go ahead and then click on next. You can also upload your picture right over here. So let me just go ahead and do that real quick as well. All right, click on next. Once you've done that, you can choose your payout method right over here. And once you've done that, you can simply go ahead and set it up. It is that simple. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.